In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF in Canva. Let's get started right inside Canva. First, open the design where you want to use your PDF. This could be any existing project you're working on, like a presentation, a social media post, or a document. Once that design is open and you're in the main editor, take a look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. In that left toolbar, find and click on the option labeled Uploads. This is where Canva lets you bring in files from your computer. When you click Uploads, a panel will slide open on the left. In that panel, look for the button that says Upload Files and click on it. As soon as you do that, your computer's file browser will pop up. Here, you just need to navigate to the location where your PDF is saved. That might be your Downloads folder, your desktop, or a specific project folder you've created. Take a moment to double check that you're choosing the correct PDF file, then either double click it or select it and press Enter on your keyboard. Now Canva will start uploading the PDF. You'll see a progress indicator in the Uploads panel. The time this takes can vary, so be patient. Larger PDFs, or those with many pages or high quality images, can take a bit longer to finish uploading, especially if your internet connection is slower. Once the upload is complete, you're ready to use the PDF inside your design. To do that, switch from the Uploads tab to the Designs tab on the left panel. This tab is usually where Canva shows templates and other design elements, but it will also display your newly uploaded PDF as a design. You should now see your PDF file listed there. Click on it once. If your PDF has multiple pages, Canva will display a preview of each page. At this point, you'll get a couple of options. You can choose to embed the design, which allows you to place a specific page into your current design, or you can choose the option to apply all pages. This will add every page of the PDF into your Canva project in order, which is especially useful for multi-page documents or slide decks. And that's all you need to do to upload and start using a PDF in Canva.